This is Dennis coming to you today from Big 5 Electronics. Today we will showcase the DMH-C2500NEX, which is their new modular piece. And what we mean by modular means you have a screen with one single cable, and it goes to a brain that holds all your inputs and outputs. We want to jump right into this unit and highlight the items that it has, which main feature, of course, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have the Waze app. You're going to have a Bluetooth feature which does 2 phones at one time, Spotify, Pandora, HD radio, of course Sirius XM, and you can do your steering wheel control input, as well as 3 pre-outs, which are 4 volts. Here we already have on the screen the Apple CarPlay feature, which will give you messages, Spotify, and Apple Maps right on the screen. If you want to go to the home screen, very simple to navigate. And also, too, this gives you depth behind the radio for a car like the new Camaro, which has very shallow depth with a kit. We want to jump into the brain part of it right here. One single cable takes you right over to the brain, gives you your harness, your USB in, Bluetooth microphone, main harness, antenna in, steering wheel control in, as well as your Sirius XM. This is easily to hide away. Anywhere behind the radio, in the glove box, whatever have you. Simple installation. Anything you want to check out, give us a call here at Big 5 Electronics.